Good morning everyone, welcome to sunny Fuerteventura. It is 11:35 AM in the morning and it's 26 degrees today, going to be up to 32 degrees. And also guess what day it is today as well, guys. It's my big day, it's my birthday. I'm 22 years old today and I just got a birthday cake from my favourite place, Cantante. I'm my full English lesson. They just threw me a little birthday party just now, they did. Just gave me a cake and that, so yeah. This is what I'm wearing today. My new top I got from my mate, Lee. In shorts, nice and hot in the sun. Finally the sun is out at last after 4 days of cloud. It's now out, what is good. So yeah, it's my birthday today, so today's going to be a big day of drinking later on with my mate. From 3 PM onwards, I'll be at the Beach Bar drinking. So yeah, it's what I do a quick vlog for you lot, and it's my birthday. Show you what the weather's like here on my birthday. I had a message from my brother saying that he's going to try and come over tomorrow, and he's very sorry for letting me down. I said, yeah, I believe it when I see you here. But you know what, I'll forget about him today, it's my birthday. Yeah, it's hot today already. It's where I always eat as well here, so I'll probably be here later on. It's going to be a busy day for me, guys, as it's my birthday. I can't believe it, it's my 5th year coming here for my birthday already. Of course, I ain't going too far, I'm only going to walk over there today. And after that, go back and chill, because this afternoon it's going to be full on this afternoon of drinking, because it's my birthday, I'm with my mate, so I'll be getting pissed tonight, absolute wasted. I will be. Of course it's my birthday, what do you expect? So yeah, and then after today, after my birthday, I'm going to have a break from drinking. I really need to have a break. I need to do some detox. After today, detox. Drink a lot of water, fluid, and not drink for like 2 or 3 weeks. Have a break off. Of course, with my mate, I've been drinking every other day, what isn't good for my liver. As I've got a bad liver as it is, guys, so it's not good. So right, this is what it's like today. Jeez man, that sun is hot. Yeah, today going to be high 32 degrees today, guys. Oh. So guys, remember to click that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, click that little bell notification, and you'll be notified time I take new YouTube videos. Okay, catch you all later everyone from Fuerteventura.